In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Telegram videos or photos to your gallery on your phone. To download Telegram photo or videos, this is how to do it. The first thing you want to do, you want to open up your Telegram app. So let's open up my Telegram on here. So once you open up your Telegram, then the next thing you want to do, you want to go to the place where you have the video. Let's go to this place. So we have some videos and photos here. So let's tap on this first one. So what you want to do, you just want to look for the video or photo you want to save or that you want to download. Just tap on the photo or video. So once you tap on the photo or the video, it will open it like this. Then what you want to do, just tap on the photo once again, just tap on it once again. Then if you check the top right corner of that video, you are going to see three lines over the three dots. I want you to tap on that three dot. Once you tap on that three dot, it pops up a small menu for you. On this menu, you are going to see where it says save image. You just want to tap on that save image, and this image will be saved to your gallery successfully. So guys, this is how you actually download Telegram photo or videos to your gallery on your iPhone or your Android device. So guys, if this video helped you, I want you to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.